Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. If you want to become successful, learn from the best. Earn wisdom by these life secret formulas from Albert Einstein, the man who changed the world. So sit back, chill out, and lend me your ears. Let's begin.
You never fail until you stop trying. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. It's strange to be known so universally, and yet be so lonely. Life is a preparation for the future, and the best preparation for the future is to live as if there were none. Any fool can know, the point is to understand. Intelligence is not the ability to store information, but to know where to find it. Three great forces rule the world: stupidity, fear, and greed. I'd rather be an optimist and a fool than a pessimist and right. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. Never memorize something that you can look up. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. The only sure way to avoid making mistakes is to have no new ideas. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. The only source of knowledge is experience. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Past is dead. Future is uncertain. Present is all you have. So eat, drink, and live merry. It is not that I'm so smart, but I stay with the questions much longer. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe.
Let's wrap up. From those secret formulas, which one do you like the most? Comment now. And remember, sharing is caring. Please subscribe now for more. Thanks for watching.